Hey everybody, DK Web Design Studio here, bringing you another exciting episode. Today we're going to be looking at Wix and how do you easily install and enable Google Analytics to integrate with your Wix website. Well, Analytics, what it gives you is a full view of who are the visitors, when did they arrive, how many people come to your site, some of their preferences, their ages, their genders, and even the locations of where they're visiting from. So this is an extremely powerful tool. It's essential for any website that you're creating for yourself or for a client, and let's get right into it. So first thing you're going to do is come into your Wix editor, click Manage Site. So pick the site that you want to enable analytics on, and all you're going to do is come down to the Site Manager on the side. Instead of hitting Edit Site, we're going to go down all the way to where it says Analytics on the sidebar. Click Analytics, and the first option that shows up is Google Analytics. So edit your analytics code or sign up for analytics. Now, disclaimer here, you have to have a premium site enabled, one of the premium sites. The free version won't give you Google Analytics right out of the box. So recommend you have a custom domain name and you've enabled one of the premium hosting plans through Wix. All right, so once you click on that button, here you have a couple options. Go to Analytics, and this Google Analytics tracking ID, this comes straight from Google. And in order to get this code, what we're gonna have to do is actually go to Google Analytics or analytics.google.com, and I'm gonna leave a link to this webpage in my information on the bottom of my video. So just click on the link and go to the Google to sign up. Make sure that you have a Google Gmail account or any of the Google accounts enabled. And from this link, we're going to come to the sign up and just click sign up. And it's going to ask you a couple of series of information. So in this case, new account, what would you like to track? We're tracking a website, and the account name is important. So in the account name, we're going to put something like the name, maybe the name of the website. In this case, it would be Studio Kinect. Let's call it 123. Website name, going to be very similar to the account name. You can have multiple websites tracked under one account. So here we're going to do Studio Kinect 1. Then you'll type in your URL, so www.studiokinect.com. And select an industry. In my case, it's business industrial markets, United States, Pacific time, or Eastern time. I would just leave all of this stuff enabled. Shouldn't really change much of anything. And hit Get Tracking ID. Accept. All right, so right off the bat, there's the tracking ID. It's the first thing that shows up, and all you're going to do is copy and paste that tracking ID. So I'm going to right click copy. Let's go back to our Wix website with that tracking ID, and we're going to hit change code, paste that new code in there, or if you've never done this before, it'll be blank, and just paste in the new code and hit submit. All right, and that's all that you have to do. You're done. So in order to track your analytics, and it may take it maybe a couple hours, maybe a day or two for it to start to register new traffic, usually 24 hours. But when you come into your Google Analytics dashboard, now you're going to have the full view, and we can make another video later on with more details on what you can actually do in Google Analytics. But right now you'll see your number of users, active users. You can look at your audience. You get an overview of their behavior, where they're coming in from, their demographics, the age, gender, an overview of demographics, and you can enable some much more advanced features using Google Analytics. You can see what pages they've clicked, how long they've spent on those pages, and really make informed marketing and design decisions using analytics. So anyways, that's all that I have for you today. Hopefully this was helpful. Please leave me a comment below. Like the video, subscribe to my channel as always, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks.